So you try to see if you can get her to climb up on you again.
Come here. Come here.
Oh.
Headbutt me in the chin. Come here. Come on. Try it again. Stretch my shirt. Come here. You're not jumping high enough. I can't catch you. Come here. Come here. Come on.
She's so excited.
Oh, almost.
She's just used to people just letting her be picked up.
Come in. Come on.
She said, just let me climb on you.
One leg at a time. No. Come here.
Oh.
Not in the nuts. Jump up. Jump. Jump.
She said, just pick me up, please.
Jump. I can't catch you if you don't jump. Jump. Come here. She's trying to use her head as leverage. She's like, come on. Come on, come here, jump. Jump. She's like, oh, jump. What are you doing? Your claws are really sharp.
She said, you're supposed to let me get up there by picking me up.
Your claws are really sharp. Come here. Come on.
Oh, such a big baby. Jeez Louise. Oh, she's got to get up over your shoulder, you know.
Oh.
You should put her over your shoulder like a big baby. That's what she wants.
No, because her breath stinks and her claws are sharp.
That was funny.